Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2013 Volkswagen Beetle Coupe 2.0T Turbo. It has a clean Carfax and comes with keyless entry, power heated mirrors with signals, deep tinted glass, and much more. 19-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, bi-xenon headlights, fog lights, heated wiper washers, and a turbo 4-cylinder with only 33,419 miles. A shark fin antenna, the spoiler, the dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area with a cargo cover, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power panoramic sunroof, the front row heated leather sport bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a push button start, alloy pedals, a second glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, and the easy to use multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.